Trailer looks a little higher today.
Does look a little higher today.
Look at that gap between these things. That's all we could go was 15-inch rims.
Yeah.
Very little gap.
So we upgraded to 15s.
And we got new tires on the truck too.
Yeah. So we figured that, you know.
And this is the first time ever in business that I've ever been able to buy all new tires, which I'm happy for. And I think, what kind are they?
I don't know.
I don't know. They're supposed
to. Well, look at the tread on those
babies. Or Terra or something. They're supposed to be good rated tires.
You need to clean your rims.
Yeah. Well, we put the old ones back then.
Yeah.
Man, Paris is looking
dirty.
That's what happens when you mow in the rain.
Yeah. Sunday is gonna have to be maintenance day.
Yeah, we didn't record yesterday, and a tree fell down on the road right in front of us.
Yeah, it was scary. It was pretty. All of a sudden, like a thunderstorm came and
really bad
a tree went down. So, all right, we just wanted to show you that we got new trailer tires. So let's see how this works. We figured if we're going to be putting more weight on the trailer.
Yeah, we wanted to get the bigger rims, like tires, like everybody suggested. So.
Yeah.
And it lifts the trailer up.
And we're actually going to look into going to Tractor Supply and getting new axles
with a braking system on them eventually. I mean, that might not be right away, but
yeah, but it's gonna be soon. So, all right.
We're going to be putting the chickens outside in their coop right now. It's 72 degrees out. This is their first time outside. We just have their food and water in there. So let's put them in. Okay, now let's put them outside to see who comes out first. Let's see if they will go outside.
Melly, what do you see? Do you see baby chicks? How old are the chicks now, Paige?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? A little over 3 weeks? Or are they exactly 3 weeks?
3 weeks and...
Couple days,
2
right?
days.
And this is the first day we're getting them out. Mello doesn't know what to think of it. He's like, this is strange. I want them to come out and play with me. Do you want them to come out and play with you, Mel? Good boy. What's in there? What's in there, Mel? Are the chickies in there? Paige, get one out. We need these chickies to...
Mello!
Sit, Mel. You like it outside, little chickie?
She's like, no. She's the one that started screaming.
Bring her over here in the mulch. You want to make sure it's locked? Melly, look. Oh, do you like it outside, little chickie? Oh, you pooed already in the mulch.
Ew.
What is that?
Not dinner.
What is it, Mel? Look. Oh, he was going to walk right past her. Look. Look.
I don't care.
Look. Show him.
Be careful he doesn't sit.
No, yeah, careful he doesn't sit on her.
He wants,
pick her up.
He wants that one.
Melly, what are they? Show them.
Whoa!
Aww.
Don't.
Aw, gentle.
He's drooling.
No.
Ew.
Gentle.
Drooled on me.
Aw, she's cute, right? You're a good boy, Melly. Mel, are you a good boy?
We're in their coop right now. We have these ones outside, or inside in the coop, and we just have pine shavings put down. And then their food and water. That's their water. And their food is over there. Chase, get out. Stop going. And then we've got that there. They haven't actually, like, gone up and down and stuff, but they're in here. We have their 2 roosting nests. Go in. Whoa. Stop. Road running. Get out of the nest. Right here and stuff. I think I'm gonna put their water inside their thing because they don't seem to be drinking. But they are 3 weeks old. They're outside. They're gonna go inside at night, but stay outside in the daytime whenever it's cool and stuff.
So today our girls are 4 weeks and a day old, and they've been spending a lot of the afternoons outside, and we've still been bringing them inside at night. So they seem to like it outside though.
I found a rock to put the water on.
Oh, that's a good
So they
idea.
don't kick dirt in it for when they use their little water.
Yeah, they kick the dirt. So this is funny. See how big they're getting? They change so quickly. But they're naughty girls, and Paige puts them in the box and they jump out. Let's see.
They might do.
Be good girl.
Stop.
Really?
Face full of feathers.
Really? Look how big they're getting. Girls, come on. Come on. Really? Really?
Runaway chicken.
Who is she? Which one is she? Nugget, come on.
No.
Come on, Nugget. Here, hold my phone. She's naughty. Yeah.
No.
Hey, one in, the other one out. Stay. Close the box. Okay. Let's get more. Little stinkers.
Oh, I say daddy.
What we're gonna do is I'm gonna mow all this down here, mow this over here, and then I gotta tackle this mess with the weed eater. Look how tall this is. This is my yard. It's out of control. Look at that. You get behind. So we're gonna see if I can spruce this overgrown jungle up. I mean, these are the beds right now. Like, just got all weeds. How you doing, boss?
Not bad.
Looks like you haven't mowed your
I know.
grass here in a while.
I'm a little overwhelmed by the way our yard looks. We've let it get out of control there.
Yeah, we did let it get out of control. So I'm gonna knock out as much as we can because we don't have anything to do. But sorry about the wind because I think it's a little breezy out here. But here's the little chickies. We've been putting them outside.
I just had to clean out their water again.
Why? They made it messy?
Yeah.
Does
And
Paige want to come out here and let them run through this?
Paige said that they get out.
Okay, let's talk.
Oh, I think we're gonna have a traffic jam over here.
I don't think that we can go anywhere without
Oh my
causing a
gosh,
scene.
man. How am I supposed to get to the wood?
Well, why did you go this way?
Oh my goodness.
So today we're going to try to get a farm vlog out. We haven't done a farm one in a little while and update you guys on what's going on the farm. We've been so busy. But as you can see, everything over here is overgrown. And by the way, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are out there. And if we don't get this up, happy later Mother's Day. But we'll give you an update on what the chickens are doing, how big they're getting. I don't know if you can see them in the background there. But today we're going to try to reinforce the fence around me and Paige so we can let them run around in the main area here, which is where we want them to. And then put them in the coops during the day when we're not here. So we'll get that done and I'll show you some progress.
How much did you guys get done
Mommy,
today?
look. There's a caterpillar hanging on the thing.
You like how Mellow's just walking away? Mellow,
I need to build a new coop.
you need to build a new coop.
Yeah, I think if you guys are planning on buying starter coops, build your own. Because these coops are kind of really cheap.
Well, I mean, there's probably good starter coops out there. We just thought that these were a good deal.
And the
And
wind blew one over.
They were on a deal.
yeah. So, how old are the chicks now? They are 5 weeks old yesterday. So you guys have seen a couple weeks development here. We just haven't had time to post a farm vlog. We've been so busy. Hi, girls. The other side's still open. Look how big they're getting. Here, Paige. You said that they've even found bugs, right?
They were fighting. Jerry was feeding them worms, and they were fighting over the worms.
No way.
Yeah, they were running away with them.
Really?
They attack you.
Yeah, they eat the seed.
That's funny. I didn't know that. And they're fertilizing and tilling for us.
That side's brown. That side's green.
That's funny.
I think for
And
now,
they like going back and forth, huh?
Yeah, I think.
So guys, it's getting pretty dark out here. I ended up getting some of the yard mowed today. As you've seen, we reinforced the chicken coop. Got that going pretty good. The only thing I didn't get to, but almost fell in the hole. There's a big rut here, but the only thing I didn't get to is weeding out the beds, which is a project in its own. You guys have seen the beds, they're a mess. By the time I get to them, they're going to be growing over the house, but let's hope not. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And it's been way too hot out here. We're not usually this hot, but what are you going to do? So like I said, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to go work on the garage tonight and change the oil and stuff and get ready for this week. So you guys have a good night and be happy, please.